Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. We are doing reading of SST book and lesson number 3 maps. Next part is going to start. There are 7 large areas of land shown on the world map. These are called continents. This word is continents. They all have names. The oceans and seas have names too. The names of the continents are: first Europe, second Asia, third Africa, fourth Antarctica, fifth North America, sixth South America, seventh Oceania. What is this word? Oceania. The names of the oceans are: first Pacific Ocean, second Atlantic Ocean, third Indian Ocean, fourth Arctic Ocean, fifth Southern Ocean. You will revise this reading at home. Like, subscribe and share our channel The Brain Tutor. Thank you.
The Brain Tutor is the complete virtual school. If you like our videos, download and share the videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you.